Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the dual harness connector bracket in your GE washer, you will need an impact driver with a 1/4 inch bit, pliers, a 3/8 socket, needle nose pliers, and a hex drive 1/4 inch socket adapter. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the water supply. Unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the drain line from the wall. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Unthread the 3 screws on the protective belt cover to remove it. Unplug the drain pump and mode shifter. Squeeze the tabs with the pliers to detach the wire connectors. Unthread the screw that secures the bracket, then pull and slide it out from the transmission. To install the new dual harness connector bracket, slide the bracket tabs into the slots and then rethread the screw to secure. Snap the connector into the bracket. Plug in the drain pump and mode shifter. Align the cover and start one of the 3 screws. Place the grounding connector over the screw and rethread it to the bottom of the transmission. Now rethread the last screw. Set the washer upright. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.